Liquid nitrogen doser machine. Designed for modern high-speed production lines, this machine delivers precise and controlled dosing of liquid nitrogen into bottles and containers before sealing. The injected nitrogen creates internal pressure inside the container, helping to strengthen lightweight bottles, improve product stability, and extend shelf life by reducing oxygen levels inside the package. Ideal for beverages, edible oils, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, dairy products, and hot fill applications, the liquid nitrogen doser ensures consistent dosing accuracy and reliable performance even in demanding industrial environments. With advanced dosing technology and efficient synchronization with filling lines, the machine operates smoothly without interrupting production speed. Its compact design, low liquid nitrogen consumption, and energy-efficient operation make it a cost-effective solution for manufacturers looking to improve packaging quality and reduce product damage during storage and transportation. Built with durable industrial-grade components and user-friendly controls, the machine offers easy operation, low maintenance, and long-lasting performance. Whether you are looking to improve bottle rigidity, minimize oxidation, or enhance packaging efficiency, the liquid nitrogen doser machine is the perfect solution for modern packaging applications. For more information, connect with us through the contact details given below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more innovative packaging solutions.